John them and Tristan them a run blood clot town and we got human promotion and all them sound there. See? Tony Rebel that country a fuck boat, you know. But Tony Rebel if come chat about him originate Singjay. Tony Rebel come bite me. Bite me, Tony Rebel. You wicked boy. So you like some a drop out. That brother there, you see that brother there, that singer brother there. See? He might come chat off him out and say all kind of thing, but you see him might push on narrative like say, and then here when though, going at me chat about that little John something here. See? Little.
After a while, being a Singjay becomes a genre. Some always tell people say, I create it.
Ricky Trooper just lit up the Singjay debate again. And this time he's coming for Tony Rebel. In a recent rant, Trooper says Rebel was still in the country when Little John and the real Singjay creators were running town.
We're in a dancehall business from the 70s. And we know a style. Saying, before some man, their mother and their father even plan so them are going to make them. Saying, some boy if you know so their mother and father could have dashed them away. Saying, yeah. So I want to show you something now. Saying, you see the music here? You see people who in that music here and do that music here from a long time. It's like if them come out and talk them truth, people beat them, kill them on social media, bro. Them beat them, kill them on social media and say, oh, yo, on a side go on a lie them I tell. Saying, because here what go on now. You see all who follow that little saga here with Little John from the other day. Saying, I want can't relate to something I don't know about, and some people come and talk about things, saying, forget likes and for make people feel like them know the thing and it build around them. Saying, cause this morning I watch a thing star and I see the singer youth. See the singer youth, you know. I'm not calling name, I see the singer youth and say, oh, the Little John I say him start style and a general record start style. And play one song. The first song him play saying, people, are you ready? And not even general record that. Saying, so me I say a top of zoke that. Saying, so me I say, and even nigga Kojak run with that too. Saying, and then the man go play one song. Under 16 or you're over 17, I beg you, rock and come in. And I Singjay that. Generally called DJ. But people don't understand that something. I see that the early days, the DJ them have to learn how to do melodies because in them time them have play the vocal on the sound. And when they play the vocal part of the song, then the selector spin over and then play the rhythm. So a lot of the DJs them time anything what the vocal say. Say the vocal say him pass the country on the left hand side. Them DJs say pass the country on the left hand side. It's off a bun car rare so.
And reminds everyone he was there from the 70s when melody and DJ skills first clashed on sound systems. Trooper's message is clear. Respect the foundation and know your history. Do you agree Tony Rebel copied the style or did he just perfect it? Drop your take below.